that which is on earth we have made but as a glittering show for the earth, in order that we may test them as to which of them are best in conduct. I read that from the Quran, Surah Kahf, or Cave, because we're still talking about the caveman. Now, the name of this video is called Righteous by Nature, Invaded by Naughty by Nature. The tricknology of the caveman. And this is going to be part one. Righteous by nature, invaded by naughty by nature. Invasion of the caveman. We made this world but glitter, glamorous, to see who is the best in conduct. That reminds me of the mule and the carrot. The mule pulling the cart. A farmer was harvesting his crop, loading his crop into a little carriage or a little cart to take to market. But that old mule he had didn't budge. He couldn't even hitch him up to the cart. So he tried everything he could to get the mule off his butt, but that mule wouldn't move. So he said, well, I'll wait until that mule get hungry, and I rig up something for that mule. Put blinders on both sides of the mule, and put a pole in front of the mule with a string attached to a carrot. So he waited and waited. Finally the mule got hungry, and he got the mule hitched up to the cart and dangled the carrot in front of the mule, while the mule, being so hungry, he started pulling the cart. But it was rigged so he would never get the carrot. He just was seen. The carrot was just in front of him. He couldn't have no other vision, but straight ahead, that carrot. And he was trying to get that carrot, and he pulled that cart all the way to market. Now, needless to say, he didn't feed him that carrot until he got back home. Then he gave the mule the carrot. That's a clever trick that the caveman is doing to the original Asiatic black man. He is righteous by nature, but he's being tricked by he who was naughty by nature. And that's how he does it. He put glitter and glam and he decorate himself with luxurious items, and he may give a few original people some riches and fame and whatever, but by the black man being without knowledge of self, he don't even know that he's righteous by nature. He thinks he's naughty by nature because he's been raised and trained by the caveman. We're going to finish this up, come back with a part 2. I'm Black Light, spreading the truth, passing the mic.